Matt, the last 2 days have been actually really incredible, tiring, exhausting, particularly this team from Sketch Group, Facilitation and graphic recording. We came into our convening with big ideas of what we might be able to do. And not that we didn't have an idea of what we wanted to achieve from here, but we really needed some coordination about how to achieve those results. We had some good meetings together before we got to actually be here 2 days ago. And at each step, I felt more and more confident and excited about the work that we were going to do. And you just simply didn't let us down. We have had a fabulous time here. I think being able to bring together 20 plus experts on sexual health together in a room from all around the country is exceptional feat in itself. To cover the content that we did, to be able to come up with a potential roadmap and a solution to the problem that we were that we asked and that we started with is exceptional, and can't be more thankful, more grateful. We've had a fab time. You guys are just champions, and really pleased that we were able to work with you. So grateful, so thankful, and very appreciative of the organisation and the commitment and your level of excitement to doing what we needed to do too.